What did he do? He slumped onto the sofa. Slump? What is this slump? Slump means to sit or fall heavily or suddenly. So that is called slump. मतलब कि जब आप धम से गिरते हो या फिर बैठते हो उसे कहते हैं slump. I'm tired and my dogs are barking. कुत्ते भौंक रहे हैं. So I'm sitting on this trolley. My dogs are barking. It doesn't mean you have pets or the dogs will be barking. It means your legs are paining. You have leg pain. This is called a pinch of salt. If you take something in this amount with your fingers shaped like this, that is called a pinch of salt, or I would say a pinch of something. For example, a pinch of pepper, and the idiom is take something with a pinch of salt, and it means that you think that something is probably not true or accurate. So that is called take something with a pinch of salt. इसका मतलब होता है किसी की बात को सच या सही नहीं मानना. तो इसे कहते हैं take something with a pinch of salt. I always take my sister Harika's talks with a pinch of salt. With a pinch of salt. Because generally she exaggerates things. This place is called patio. Patio. I always prefer having my breakfast at the patio instead of having my breakfast over here under this awning. I am eating this churma. It's yummy, delectable, appetizing. Which one should I have? Should I have this one? No, this one. No, this one. No, this one. I'm in a quandary. मतलब मैं बहुत असमंजस में हूँ. I'm gonna flick the crumbs off the table. I'm flicking the crumbs off the table. If someone smiles like this, then you could say a smile spread across his face or her face. Hey, what are you doing?
I was just cleaning the back of the TV. Whew, looks like Ratnanti is really slacking off her job. See?
Oh my God, she's really slacking off her job. But what is the slack of?
To do something more slowly and with less effort than usual. Or I would say being lazy.
Okay, but could you please frame another sentence using this word?
Yeah, of course. So when we're tired when we work in the weekdays, so at the weekend we slack off.
I got you, Arvi. मतलब कि इसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं काम चोरी या फिर कमजोर पड़ जाना.
I'm so tired. Hi, Didi.
Harika, don't slouch. Straighten your back.
Slouch? Didi, what is slouch?
Harika, slouch means when your shoulders are hanging forward and your head is slightly bent over so that you look tired and bored. I am shaking my head. Hey, what is in your mouth? Spit it on the ground. Oh my God, who told you to eat this? Come on, spit it out. Spit it out, Arvi. Here spit का मतलब होता है थूकना और spit it out का मतलब होता है जो बोलना चाहते हो बोलो या फिर उगलना. This kind of shed is called thatched shed. In this thatched shed, we keep domestic animals. Now just have a view of this thatched shed. Look at that. That is a peg where they tie pet animals, or I would say domestic animals. Now look at this thatched roof. It is made of straw and reeds. Straw and reeds. I am tugging at my earlobe. What is he doing? He is tugging at my dress. Tug का मतलब होता है खींचना. Hey Arvi, please don't tug at my hand. I think I need to teach you a lesson. What are we doing? We are dueling.
It means to fight.
In simple words, it is a synonym of fight.
And looks like we're done with our duel. But you haven't learned your lesson since the last time. You must deserve another punishment, I believe, dear Havisha Rathore.
Creeper, it needs support and it is supported with a twine. But I think it is rotten. Rotten? What does rotten mean? अगर कुछ खराब हो गया है तो आप कह सकते हो मानो अगर कोई सब्जी खराब हो गया आप कह सकते हो this vegetable has rotten. Similarly, this plant has rotten. मतलब एक प्लांट खराब हो गया है, देखो उसके पत्ते भी सूख गए हैं. A figure of a ghost makes him shiver. He is shivering right now. Is he scared of me or what? Twilight होता है जब सन राइज नहीं हुआ फिर भी लाइट कर रही है और सन सेट हो गया फिर भी लाइट कर रही है, उसे दोनों को कहते हैं twilight. Twilight. I met my friend's grandfather in the twilight of his life. मतलब मैंने अपने फ्रेंड के ग्रैंडफादर को बहुत ही कमज़ोरी में देखा. बहुत कमज़ोर थे, वो बूढ़े हो गए थे, कमज़ोर थे. उनके पूरे जीवन में वो बहुत ही इतने कमज़ोर मैंने कभी नहीं देखा और इतने कमज़ोर टाइम पे मैंने उनको देखा. Look, this is another excavation site where they are removing the old footpath so that they can construct a new one. जब हम ज़मीन की खुदाई करते हैं स्पेशली किसी मशीन से तो फिर उसको कहते हैं एक्सकवेशन. खुदाई करने को हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं एक्सकवेशन. I pushed the door. So many sheep and goats are grazing here. I'm drawing the curtain. Cap. All of you know that this is a cap. But do you know what is this part of a cap called? This part of a cap is called visor. I repeat, visor. There is a mosquito bite on his leg. So he is itching his leg. He's itching like crazy. I'm pushing Hari cap.
1 2 3 start.
अरे ओ टींगरी मेरी पाइप तोड़ छो. मैं पाइप टूट गई, पागल हो रही है तू. मैं साले दूंगा ना. लड़कियां जीत गई, लड़कियां जीत गई, लड़कियां जीत गई, जीत गई, जीत गई, जीत गई, लड़की लड़की जीत गई, लड़की जीत गई. अभी सारा रोड जीत गई.
Okay, Arvi. See you in the next summer vacation.
Thanks for coming this summer vacation. It's the best summer vacation I've ever had.
Mine too. Okay, bye then.
Godspeed, Avisha.
Thank you, Arvi, but it would be better if you tell the meaning of Godspeed to our viewers. Godspeed is an expression used to say good wishes to someone who is starting a journey. So here, I'm starting a journey towards Bangalore, and so Arvi said Godspeed. Bye bye. If you've liked this information, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video.